Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. We are going to explore a little bit of the downtown area in these beautiful towns. And we have just parked a little bit far from the town because it's very difficult to find parking lot. This is one of the tips that you have to consider when you come here because the parking lot is a little expensive. It's $25 to park the car. So we have to come to this area in a very residential area, and we have to park on the street. We are gonna walk a little bit to go to the downtown area. So let's continue. We are a little bit far from the downtown area, so we have to find a parking lot in this area, and we have to cross the bridge over there and turn to the left to continue to the downtown. So let's go there. It's a little walk, probably 15 or 20 minutes walking. We are crossing the bridge in this moment, and over down is the railroad for the train. So we didn't know, this is our first time here in Jim Thorpe, and when we get into the town area, we figured out that the parking lot is $25. And we were just driving. We were driving like 20 minutes trying to find a parking lot, but it was so difficult to find because all the parking lots is minimum payment is $20. So we didn't know that. It's too much money. With $20 you can buy a hamburger in McDonald's or something like that. So we decided just let's walk, let's leave the car a little bit far, and that's it. That's what we are doing right now in this moment. And we are crossing the bridge, and look at this, it's beautiful. Down there, the river. And we see that in the river you can do the rafting. That is perfect to do it here in this town. This is one of the parking lots that you can see all the cars parked all over the way over there, and these people are paying $25 to park here. What we did is walk through all this bridge and park in one of the streets over there. That is some mini store, and we park over there and just walking down here, and probably we are walking probably the same distance that these people that are parked here is gonna walk to go to the downtown area. You know, it's worth it to say $25, right? So let's continue. I guess this is the company that they take the people to do the rafting in the rivers. And there we are here in the downtown. We are gonna explore a little bit about this beautiful town. Today is Saturday, it's summertime. It's beautiful. A little hot, but it's good to enjoy the mini towns of Jim Thorpe. You have here the information center where you can buy the ticket for the train. It's around $25. And you have several places to eat. Cannolis, lobster tail, Italian pastry. Should we try one of them? Yes. Here inside the information center, you can find some more information about the time, what to do, what activity or no. to do like a bike train, rafting, different activities. You find all this information here in the information center. You have a lot of antique store. I love it. I'm gonna see what is inside of the one of the antique store. It's beautiful.
You're casting shark spells? You're casting shark spells. It's just since the
In this moment, we are so hungry, so we are looking for some places to eat and try local food around here in Jim Thorpe. You can find a couple of places that you can buy your ticket. This is for the trolley one, and I don't know how much is the price, but it shouldn't be that expensive. And you have different times at 12, 1:30, or 3 p.m. And you can take a tour around the Jim Thorpe. A lot of mini stores, really with curiosity. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Antique.
que ella saque eso y ella tal vez se pueda curar de la cabeza. Sí, porque los doctores dicen que no cura eso.
I guess they do some presentations, some shows in this place. Interesting. And I guess this is another restaurant, and let's check it out, the specials. A special jalapeno popper taco salad, pasta of the day, linguine and meatballs, $19. And the jalapeno popper taco salad, $13, and the soup of the moment, roasted red pepper biscuit. Interesting. Nice place. And this is a Presbyterian church. We are exploring the cities and every corner of Jim Thorpe. The stores are very nice, very cute, a lot of antique. I like this one, Jim Thorpe. I like this decoration, Halloween. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you in the next one.